To make our cashmere and musk scented whipped body butter, you'll need the following: 600 grams of Craftovator's body butter base, 6 grams of Craftovator's cashmere and musk fragrance oil, and 6 grams of Craftovator's sparkling gold mica powder. You'll also need a set of kitchen weighing scales, a large heat-proof measuring jug or bowl, a spatula, a small pot, a small glass measuring jug, some cling film, and a piping bag if you'll be piping your product. You'll also need some small lidded jars for your final product to go into. Our recipe will fill two 300 ml cosmetic jars. First, weigh out all your ingredients. Next, add your mica powder to your fragrance oil and stir well to combine. This will help the mica powder to disperse when mixed with your base. Heat your body butter base either in the microwave or by double boiler until the temperature of the base reaches between 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Once you have reached this temperature, add your fragrance and color mix to the base. Stir continuously until the color has fully mixed in. At around 50 degrees Celsius, you can simply spoon the mixture into your waiting pots, but if you'll be piping your product, you'll want to wait until your base thickens and reaches room temperature. To pipe your mixture, place a piece of cling film on your work surface and lay the mixture in the center. Fold up the sides of the cling film and mold and shape the mixture, making sure you squeeze out any air pockets that may be present. Roll up the ends and snip one side with scissors, then place inside your piping bag. You can now pipe the mixture into your waiting containers. If you'd like, you can use a little extra mica powder placed in a small sieve to dust a little on top as extra decoration. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial for making your own cashmere and musk scented body butter. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to follow Craftovator on YouTube.